Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Thursday, March the 5th, 2026. Today, we'll cover significant market movements, including key indexes, various sectors, technology, cryptocurrency trends, currency fluctuations, and commodity shifts. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down today, with broad-ranging declines. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,829.91, down 39.58 points. The Dow 30 index suffered the most, losing 784.67 points to finish at 47,954.75, while experiencing heavy downward volatility. Across major indexes, decliners substantially outnumbered advancers, underscoring a broad downward movement. The S&P 500 index saw 361 in decline against 129 advances. Similarly, the Dow 30 index had 24 declines versus 6 advances, reinforcing today's negative sentiment. Turning to returns, the Nasdaq Composite index bucked a broader trend, posting a week-to-date total return of 0.36%. However, the year-to-date returns were less favorable, with the index down 2.12%. Conversely, the Dow 30 index saw a week-to-date loss of over 2%, reflecting its recent volatility. Among sectors, energy and technology emerged as leaders. Energy climbed 5.4 points to close at 862.32, maintaining a strong positive trend. The technology sector gained 20.99 to close at 5,446.28, marking its second consecutive day of upward movement. Consumer defensive and basic materials lagged today. Consumer defensive dropped 23.68 points, extending its decline across 4 consecutive days. Basic materials closed 14.83 points lower, mirroring a similar downturn amid some downward volatility. Globally, Israel's ETF displayed resilience, maintaining a strong positive trend despite a marginal drop to 125.81. Meanwhile, India closed slightly higher at 50.37 amid continued downward volatility. In terms of returns, Israel led with a notable year-to-date gain of 14.34%. Despite facing downturns, Turkey showed resilience, boasting a 12.52% gain year-to-date. The S&P 500 ETF exhibited mixed results, slightly down for the month and week. In technology stocks today, Apple closed down at $260.29, losing $2.23. It's been a tough week with a strong negative trend continuing for 3 consecutive days. Alphabet also faced challenges, closing down at $300.91, marking a 4-day losing streak in a mixed negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 71,506.64, experiencing a drop of 1,176.62, down by 1.6%. Meanwhile, Ethereum sees similar declines, standing at 2,091.12, shedding 36.49 with a 1.7% downshift. Both assets show strong upward volatility amid a mixed negative trend today. In the return sector, Dogecoin stands out with a notable drop of 4.5%, reaching a price of 0.0945. Its weekly total return is modest at 2.86%, but the negative trend persists. Comparing year-to-date returns, cryptos have mostly been in the red, reflecting bearish sentiments.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing strength against major currencies today. Against the euro, the greenback is currently at 0.8616, up 0.27%. The dollar is also rising against the Japanese yen with a very strong positive trend, now at 157.5420, up 0.31%. Additionally, the dollar is experiencing upward volatility against both the Swiss franc and the Australian dollar. Against the Australian dollar, it has seen a significant move, increasing by 0.94% to 1.4260, further exhibiting very strong upward volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.